Let's be honest, unless your carpets are dark gray and constructed for what manufacturers call heavy traffic, i.e., a lot of wear and tear, you'll probably need a carpet cleaner. Whether it's a glass of red wine, a mishap with some makeup, or a pet accident, carpet stains and messes will happen, and that's where a carpet cleaner comes in. But, if you're reading this and thinking, not my problem, no carpets in my home, bear in mind that the best carpet cleaner machines will also tackle stains on upholstery and on car interiors, so if you've got fabric, and you've got stains, we've got the picks. Number 1. Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner is a lightweight solution that looks just like a standard vacuum but has far more benefits. Using steam technology, the tank connects to the cleaner trigger and sprays the cleaning solution onto the carpet. Then, the vacuum lifts dirt from the fibers and channels the dirt into a separate tank. Both receptacles are clear, enabling you to see the progress as you go. This carpet cleaner is designed with a power spin brush roll that picks up hair and removes stains. The removable nozzle makes it easy to maintain and helps ensure a deep clean. Hoover's heat force component then speeds up the drying process. Powerful, durable, and complete with a 20-foot cord, this carpet cleaner is a solid choice overall. Number 2. Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush. Cleaning your carpet is a routine task that doesn't have to be expensive, making the Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet such a great value pick. This upright vacuum features a power brush that's used alongside a suction mechanism to scrub away stains and lift out deep-seated dirt. The machine's bristles help tidy up edges and furniture corners, while the two-tank system helps separate dirty water from clean water. This carpet cleaner comes equipped with a specialized cleaning formula that is specifically designed to break down and eliminate pet stains and odors. It helps to ensure that your carpets not only look clean but also smell fresh. Weighing in at just 12 pounds, this carpet cleaner is easy to maneuver and carry around, making it a great choice for users of all ages. It's also compact for convenient storage. The machine features a sizable water tank that holds plenty of cleaning solution and water, allowing you to clean a larger area without frequent refills. Number 3. Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner. If you're looking for deep cleaning, consider the Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner. Bissell is a trusted name in carpet cleaning, and this pick, comparable to the models you would otherwise rent, features two large tanks, one for clean water and the other for dirty. This cleaner also comes with an adjustable handle, a 9-foot hose, and a 25-foot power cord that provides even more flexibility and ease of use. This powerful 12-amp carpet cleaner comes with 6 attachments, each designed to address a certain type of stain or damage, including a 6-inch tough stain tool for carpets, stairs, and upholstery. The cleaner also arrives with 3 8-ounce trial-size bottles of Bissell's Pro Max Clean Plus Protect, for deep cleaning. The machine features separate large water tanks for clean and dirty water. This design ensures that you're always using fresh cleaning solution, and it's easy to empty the dirty water, saving you time during the cleaning process. Number 4. Bissell Pro Heat Lift-Off Pet Carpet Cleaner. When it comes to an effective carpet cleaner, pets and pet hair can make deep cleaning more difficult. This Bissell carpet cleaner has a power brush that has 10 rows of bristles designed to loosen dirt and odors in combination with the cleaning solution before sucking them into a waste tank. It can be converted to a portable and has 2 specialized tools to tackle tough stains and crevices. Get started with one of the best robot vacuums for pet hair. The machine features generous water tanks for both clean and dirty water, ensuring you can tackle multiple cleaning tasks without frequent refills or emptying. It comes with a range of attachments, including a stain trapper tool, a 3-inch tough stain tool, and a deep reach pit tool, providing the flexibility to handle various cleaning challenges. The machine is equipped with edge sweep brushes for thorough edge-to-edge cleaning, eliminating dirt and stains even in tight corners. Number 5. Bissell Spot Clean Professional. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner machine that's both powerful and portable, look no further than the Bissell Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Weighing 13 pounds and with a 22-foot cord, this carpet cleaner is easy to transport but provides a professional-level clean. This carpet cleaner comes with 2 heads, including a 6-inch brush designed especially for stairs and a trial-size bottle of cleaning solution that will help remove those pesky stains. Powerful suction. This portable carpet cleaner features powerful suction that extracts dirt, stains, and moisture, leaving your surfaces cleaner and drier. Large water tanks. With separate clean and dirty water tanks, you can easily monitor the water levels and ensure that you're always using clean water to tackle stains. Long hose and power cord. The lengthy hose and power cord provide excellent reach, allowing you to access and clean a variety of surfaces, even those in hard-to-reach spots.